Okay, so my mom's pissed, and, yeah. So, I ended up accidentally hitting stop instead of pause. I just love family feuds. I have no idea where I'm going. Koza, shut the fuck up. Get out of the window. The stuff Okay, so we know this closes door and allows access to upper story. So if we go this way, go this way, go this way. There we go. Where do you think you are going? You are Wait, why is there a file with your name on it? This is odd. Alright, I'll just check this out. Just oh my god, why? You need to go now. Access denied, access denied. I can't see shit! I'm gonna go this way. Fuck the glowstone! Ah! Please don't squish me. Out of order. This is like, whee! Okay, you need to stay in here. I don't know how long, but I really need to take some time to take this in. It's nothing. Please, just trust me. No! There is a music disc and I want to play, but I have nowhere to play. Oh, yes, I do. I did something. Listen, just stand here. Wow, you don't look too hot. That fall must have been a bit farther than I thought. Just listen to some music and fall asleep because nothing. Just do what I say. Well, you just passed out. Okay. Now I just need some time to get this file out of my head. Bleep. Something you forgot. It's time you know. The truth hurts. Flushing away the memories. They erase you. Something happened. A prison in your mind. This is only the beginning. I'm sorry, honey, but I can't do this anymore. What? You just care about that stupid project at Cube Inc. You probably don't even remember my name. Oh. Aaron, you have gone and done it, breaking the heart of the only person you have left. I bet your parents would be very upset. Oh, there's a lever in here. I've taken all of your stuff to the warehouse. Now leave. I don't want to see your face anymore. My ring is on the table downstairs. Goodbye. It's over. You aren't allowed downstairs. You aren't using any more of my stuff. Go. There's something there. There's something there. It's better this way. Please just leave my house. I take it this is where I take the lever. Losing your family. They didn't like them. I have many question marks hovering above my head, if you could visualize this. It's like in one of those enemies where all of a sudden 3 question marks pop up above their head in an arc. I have a feeling I may know where this is going, but I just want to see if I'm right. Here we go. Flush complete. Installation complete. The experiment was a success. How are you doing? I'm peachy, thanks. I wouldn't doubt it if you are very confused. Well, let's just say that you are a new person. Keeping secrets is important to Cube Inc, and we must take precautions to make sure no secrets ever get leaked. You will return to life and will work at Cube Inc West as if you have worked there your entire life. Please exit through the main staircase. Thank you. What? You're living a lie. They created the new you. You don't even know yourself. Yet. Freaking staircase! We'll get to that later. Oh no, don't worry about being confused. By the time you get to your new home, you won't remember this conversation even took place at all. Good day, Mr. McCoy. Enjoy your new life. Access denied. Trust no one. Access denied. Ooh. Do not cross to the nether. Do not cross to the nether. Do not cross to the nether. Yeah, you repeat that a lot. I can't get to the nether anyway. So, meh. Interesting. Please continue. Return to the present. You know enough now. You woke up. Please go back to bed. I'm not letting you out of here, and there is nothing you can do now. So please do us a favor and do what I say. Thanks so much for playing. I promise that the story will make more sense when you play the sequel. Haha. Created by CW Hunt 456 and Incense. The end for Cube Inc 1. Da-da-da! Well, that was kind of anticlimactic. I mean, we've got it past. We left our wife. Well, which is weird because I'm a chick playing a dude, so anyway. So we left our wife over God knows what exactly, because we don't know the entire truth of what happened. We had our memory wiped, and they put new memories in its place. We became somebody else. Okay, so if they have come out with the second one, I'm going to go try and find it, and I'll play that one, and we'll see how it goes. But other than that, this is it, guys. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll keep yourselves updated with checking out any new Minecraft videos that I put up. Until next time, see ya!